Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we have two extraordinary words to unravel and explore their meanings. Our first word of the day is sporadic. Sporadic. It's a word that's often thrown around a lot. But what does it actually mean? Well, sporadic is an adjective that describes something that happens randomly or at irregular intervals. It's like a surprise visit from that one friend who never sticks to a schedule. Imagine you're waiting for the bus every morning, and sometimes it arrives right on time, but other times it's late or even fails to show up at all. That's a perfect example of a sporadic bus schedule. Another way to think of sporadic is like popcorn popping in a microwave. Some kernels burst open quickly, while others take their sweet time, leaving you waiting in suspense. So, the next time something happens irregularly or randomly, you can say it's sporadic. Here is a sentence example for this word. The sporadic barking of the neighbor's dog kept me awake last night. Now, let's move on to our second word, fructify. Fructify. This word might sound strange, but it's actually quite fascinating. Fructify is a verb that means to bear fruit or produce results. It means to make something fruitful or successful. Imagine you have a little seed that you plant and take care of it with love and patience. As time passes, it grows into a plant bearing beautiful flowers with colorful petals and a sweet fragrance. That's what we call fructification. Or imagine you have been studying diligently for a test. You put in the time and effort, and when the results come out, you discover that you have aced it. Your hard work has fructified, bringing you the reward of a great score. Let's look at one last example. Think about a business idea you have been working on tirelessly. You pour your heart and soul into it, overcoming challenges and setbacks, and then, one magical moment, your idea blossoms into success, attracting clients and generating profits. That's the power of fructification. Just like a fruit tree that blossoms and eventually produces delicious fruits, our endeavors, whether personal or professional, can also fructify and bring us joy and fulfillment. So, the next time your hard work pays off, remember to use the word fructify to describe the sweet taste of success. Here's a sentence example for this word. When you invest in your education, the knowledge gained will fructify into a brighter future. Remember, words have the power to ignite imagination, connect hearts, and shape our world. The more you immerse yourself in the English language, the more magical your journey will become, whether it's through reading books, watching movies, or even having conversations with native English speakers. Each experience will bring you closer to fluency. And never forget, my friends, that mistakes are part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to make them, for they are stepping stones on your path to mastering English. So go out there, embrace the adventure, and let your words shine brightly. You have the power to express yourself. Thank you for joining me on this playful word journey today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until we meet again for our next word adventure, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep spreading the joy of language learning.